Infinix has been making some amazing phones in entry level and budget level and is now planning to launch the Infinix S5 Pro smartphone in India next month. The company has confirmed through a teaser posted on its official Twitter account that Infinix S5 Pro will see the lights on 6th March and will be Flipkart exclusive. Interestingly, the brand is planning to launch its upcoming device S5 Pro with a pop-up selfie camera. To be honest, the pop-up style selfie mechanism didn't stay for too long, even though people all around the world liked it. Pop-up was replaced with punch hole cutout very soon. Now Infinix wants to bring back the pop-up camera, and the interesting part is that the device will be priced under Rs 10,000 price segment as per rumors. So are you interested to know what it packs? Stay tuned, I will be back right after this. So first, let's start with the display. The device will come with a 6.6-inch display, which is similar to other Infinix S5 series phones like S5 and S5 Lite. But what's changed is the resolution. Yes, this time the phone will be full HD Plus display, which means you are getting a 1080p plus IPS LCD panel in under 10k price tag. And the cherry on top is the full view display with pop-up camera. Now if we talk about its processor, what do you think? Which processor will be used by company? No, it's not from Qualcomm, it's a MediaTek chipset. To be frank, even I don't know which processor will be used, but rumors has it they will use either MediaTek Helio P35 or P70. But most likely it will be Helio P35, because if we take a look at the other S5 series phones like S5 and S5 Lite, both use Helio P22 chipset, so the probability of using P35 seems more. As for RAM, there is possibility of multiple RAM and storage options. 6 64GB and probably 6 128GB might also be available. Also, it's said there will be a dedicated microSD card slot present. On camera front, there is a confirmed 48 megapixel lens on the rear. Additionally, there are two other cameras present, but we don't know the megapixel or the functionality. But rest assured, we can be sure that it's gonna be some low megapixel count sensor. Front, it will feature either 16 or 32 megapixel lens. As for battery, there is a 4000 mAh cell, but I don't think there will be any fast charging supported. There are rumors that it will come with micro USB port, which is disappointing, although it's confirmed to come with 3.5mm headphone jack and a rear mounted fingerprint scanner. So overall, the phone looks as a compelling option with a pop-up camera, full view display, triple rear camera and the price. So that's the Infinix S5 Pro. Hope you liked it. See you in the next one. Peace out.